Hi, in this lesson, we'll talk about the field of computer science and what that term encompasses. Computer science is everywhere, and it's for everyone, no matter who you are. All people interact with and are affected by computers every day, and you can learn computer science to harness the power of this technology and apply it to whatever you're interested in. Computer science is affecting every industry, and really every aspect of our modern society. Take art, for example. Digital art has become one of the most widely used mediums for art, and no matter what medium you're using, thanks to technology, artists have been able to collaborate, share ideas, and share their own creations with the world. Technology is also responsible for new sounds, beats, and full songs that are being created that would never have been possible before. New technology is also used in agriculture to monitor crops, predict future yield, and design corn mazes. No matter what career field you are interested in, computer science can provide innovation and new ways of approaching things. We have things that exist in the world now and are being used every day thanks to computer science that maybe 10, 20, 30 years ago never would have existed. The term computer science is really about a new way of thinking about problems. It includes breaking problems down into their most simplistic, bite-sized chunks and instructing a computer how to solve these problems. Thinking computationally is a very important skill that can be applied to all types of problems. Learning computer science gives you these tools and skills that you need to invent, create, and express yourself with these new technologies. So how do we get the computer or other device to do what we want it to do? We have to program the computer. Programming a computer includes the use of programming algorithms. An algorithm is a self-contained, step-by-step set of instructions that solves a problem. We see algorithms everywhere, not just in computers. A recipe is an algorithm. It shows you a step-by-step instructions for how to bake a dish. Directions to a location? That's an algorithm. You give a step-by-step instructions on how to get somewhere. Programs are another example of algorithms. All programs are implementing algorithms. For example, if we wanted to create an algorithm that does the hokey pokey, we would provide a step-by-step set of instructions on how to do the hokey pokey. You put your left hand in, then you take your left hand out. You put your left hand in again, and well, you know the rest. We could create an algorithm to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. To make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, what do? Well, repeat the following twice. Put one slice of bread on the table, do that twice, then open the peanut butter jar, open the jelly jar, grab a knife, and so forth. This algorithm provides a very deliberate step-by-step set of simple instructions to solve a problem. These are all examples of algorithms. A computer program combines different algorithms that are written in computer code. A programming language can be used that will implement the algorithm. There are algorithms and programs for everything. There are algorithms for sorting the songs in your library, searching the internet for a specific image or a specific word. There are algorithms that help a computer recognize faces and speech. These are all algorithms that are used by a lot of different programs. The idea here is a lot of times we reuse pre-existing algorithms as building blocks in larger programs. All right, now it's your turn to go and explore some more.